its name? Just tell me the name. What is the vehicle name?
Give me a second, I will give it a lock on the PD.
Jeez, Victor. What the fuck is this? Russian to accurate medical information. What is that? Wheel? Authorized access. Alright, sir, I'm patching your wounds.
Okay, sir. I am
Okay,
FIB
sir, this is.
agent 824. Hello, don't run, don't run, don't run, don't run, don't run, don't run, don't run. Can I have your ID? Document ID?
Or anything that we can,
Can I have your ID, sir? Okay, let me search.
Alright, you have the right to search it because we have given him warnings.
Okay, sir, you are the suspect, sir. So
Oh,
I'm
you're the
gonna handcuff
suspect.
you. Okay, sir.
Alrighties.
You are not saying,
I'm
so
gonna
I have the permission.
Yes, sir. I'm going to be putting you. Ardix is going to be putting you in the vehicle. Please watch your head. Ardix, I'm doing the arrest, okay? Because I need to do it for my promotion. Whoa, this guy's stuck.
I didn't make an arrest before. Can I do it?
I
You're
move.
GR1, but
I.
still.
Okay.
You're GR1. Okay, you can do it. Wait.
Okay.
Oh, are you dragging him by his hands?
So, sir,
I will,
I'm gonna drag you
you can
along
run
the
the right,
path.
I will drive.
So watch your head. Don't run, sir. Don't run.
He's not running. It is glitched. We can't control him. Okay, wait,
Hey,
wait, wait.
Iron, move, man.
I'm
tell
doing.
him that
You are coming in
you drag
front
Yes.
him
of us.
by the
Iron,
arm.
move.
Wait.
Iron, move.
827 to the
He is glitched. He's glitched.
sir, I will
You can
read
do
you
it.
some
You
Miranda
just
rights.
move.
Sir, you have
Where
Hey,
will I
you have
move?
I
right
will
to
drag you by
remain
the arm.
silent if
So
you say anything.
watch your head. I'm gonna put you in the
Lawyer
vehicle.
speaking in
So, sir,
radio.
watch your head.
Please, sir, don't move, please. I'm
RDX.
dragging you by the arm, and what you're doing
He's
now is
moving, man.
wrong. You can't make
He's not
yourself
moving.
trouble
You are
here. Please,
actually. It is.
sir, stop.
Do it now. I'm going to be putting the vehicle. Okay. Now the six. Okay, let's go. All right, sir. Sir Williams is going to be putting you in the vehicle. Please watch your head.
Call for the
Okay.
radio. Iron, move.
Where did I move? Yes. He's
Let me do
glitched.
it.
This game is glitched. Okay. Do it
827
now.
to dispatch. We are going 1017 to the DOC with the 1015 with one additional.
Okay, sir.
Let's move.
837 to dispatch. We are 1017 to DOC with 115 and 2 additionals.
2122, 1042 last.
Let's go.
1014.
Finally, we got a suspect. Let's do the DOC. Alright, sir. I'm going to be reading you the rights. The right to remain silent and anything you say and can will be used against you in the code of law. You have a right to an attorney. If you can't afford an attorney, one will be appointed to you by the state if available. Do you understand this right? Alright, since you're not saying, then I'm going to be repeating it again. You have the right to remain silent and anything you say and can will be used against you in the court of law. You have a right to an attorney. If you can't afford an attorney, one will be appointed to your state if available. Do you understand these rights? Alright, sir, since you're not saying still anything, I'm going to be repeating it again. You have the right to remain silent and anything you say and can will be used against you in the court of law. Right, an attorney, if you can't afford an attorney, one will be appointed to you by the state if available. Do you understand these rights? Alright, sir, I've repeated it 3 times. I will take the silence as yes.
मतलब अगर कुछ नहीं मिलता
Right, Williams, you
तो
have the
फिर मैं
POV,
उसको
right?
जेल में डाल के सर्च करूंगा पहले, मतलब
You're
सेल
my
के अंदर।
man. Why, Williams? You
Yeah,
have the
man.
POV, right?
Yeah, I'm going
Okay.
to the DOC.
No, no, you have the POV of the. Where the hell are you?
Ah, what's the problem?
Do you have the POV of the situation we are having currently?
Yes, yes.
Uh, let's go. Alrighty.
Okay, sir, what you have is going to drag you out of the vehicle.
Are you all doing, or are you
Okay,
doing?
I will do it. I
Okay.
will do it.
What you do?
Press.
Because your first promotion it will be.
And you will directly drag him, okay? Don't just tell him, don't
Watch
just
your
press
head,
X.
sir.
Just
What's up,
say,
officer?
just directly drag him. What?
Okay, sir. I
Okay,
will
sir,
drag
let's
you
go.
by the arm.
Okay.
Follow me,
What
please.
size of jumpsuit do you require?
Sir.
And you have to be inside for asking that.
I am lagging. I'm inside only. I was inside the whole time.
What the fuck?
What size
What the
jumpsuit do
fuck? How
you
much time?
want?
Which size fit you, sir? The DOC clothes. I have
Jesus.
If it's not
X large,
listen,
medium,
if it's not
large.
My
Which
headphones.
size
How
suits
much?
you, sir?
How much time do I
if
need
it's
to
not
do it?
answering, you
I
said.
think medium is good.
Yeah, it's not answering.
It's
No, no,
called.
no. If it's not answering, then you use the all size jumpsuit.
Proceed in my case. Sir,
Okay.
I'm searching your sir pocket, sir, for you are not containing any illegal weapon.
What? Dude, I have a gun.
Alright, let's go. Let's go.
Oh, stop! Leave me.
Sir, so what's your size? Can you tell me your size?
Okay.
Alright, sir. Yes, do you have the permission to. Alright, sir. I'm going to be searching for any illegal items.
I do.
Illegal. Alright, sir. I'm going to be putting you in your jumpsuit, okay? Alright, let's go. Good to go. Have a nice day here. Whoa.
What the
Are you
hell is
kidding me?
that?
Whoa. Alright, sir, I'm gonna be cuffing you.
Yeah, sir,
I'm gonna be dragging you by your hands.
Medium entry. And sir,
I've given you.
I'm arresting you, sir.
Sir, let me go out.
Thank you, sir. And sir, I have arrested you for that you have
Come on,
tried
get in.
What's his name, Paul?
Okay.
Sir, if you do
Oh,
this
you
thing
got
again,
this
you're gonna
suspect.
be
Nice.
doing in
Sir,
Charlie
no.
Sorry, sir.
104
You
to
will
Mike
have
West.
more
I
chance
was
Sir,
just
if you did it
insulted
again.
outside Bogos
Ooh.
HQ and called Mike
Sir, you
West.
can't.
Let's go.
Ultimate
By who?
disrespect. I don't even know.
Let's go,
Some
let's-
37K I
know?
God.
Why? What did he say?
He said, "Who is this? This is Mike West. Yes, you look
Thank
like
you.
Mike West." I'm like, "Excuse me? Pardon?" He was shooting it at their HQ and they were like,